Chinese engineers consistently captivate the global community with their remarkable innovations. Recently, the Chinese firm Deep Robotics, renowned for its innovations in robotics and artificial intelligence, unveiled the advancements of its newest robotic canine dubbed Lynx. Lynx is fundamentally a hybrid transport apparatus that amalgamates the functionalities of both wheeled and legged platforms, delivering rapid mobility alongside remarkable terrain adaptability. The robot was introduced in November 2024 and has emerged as one of the most remarkable advancements in mobile robotics. The Lynx boasts several remarkable features, such as achieving speeds nearing 18 kilometers per hour, surmounting obstacles as tall as 80 centimeters, navigating steps with a height of 22 centimeters, and ascending inclines of up to 5 degrees. This degree of maneuverability renders the Lynx adept at functioning in arduous environments where traditional vehicles falter. Deep Robotics Lynx has been meticulously engineered to tackle a diverse array of tasks, ranging from search and rescue operations to industrial inspections and exploratory missions. Recently, IronTech has introduced the next generation of its robotic women, captivating audiences across the internet. These robots are engineered to facilitate remarkably authentic human-machine interactions, boasting an array of distinctive features that contribute to their substantial market appeal. IronTech robots are constructed from thermoplastic elastomer, material that provides a softness and elasticity akin to that of human skin. Each robot is constructed with a metallic framework, enabling it to alter its poses while preserving both flexibility and stability. Meticulous attention has been devoted to the intricacies. Facial features, skin texture, and various anatomical elements are meticulously rendered with exceptional realism. The robots are offered in a range of sizes and weight classes, enabling customers to choose the most appropriate model for their needs. They can be entirely tailored to accommodate personal preferences, encompassing aspects such as skin tone, eye color, hairstyle, and additional attributes. The principal objective of IronTech robots is to function as companions for their users. They are also employed in photographic sessions, artistic endeavors, and various other contexts where lifelike mannequins are necessary. Following its recent triumph at CES 2025, Abyss Creations Realbotics consistently captivates the online sphere with its remarkably lifelike and functional robots, engineered to serve as substitutes for human companions. The company has been engaged in the production and sale of silicone robots for more than 2 decades. Nonetheless, its recent innovations, infusing lifelike qualities into robots through animatronics, sensory technology, and artificial intelligence, have left the world in awe. The company has recently introduced an innovative array of robots while also elucidating the intricate development process that underpins these remarkably lifelike creations. Every robot is meticulously crafted by a skilled team of designers and artisans, empowering customers to tailor their model with precision, attending to even the minutest details in accordance with their preferences. Consumers can now acquire a lifelike doll equipped with an animatronic head that articulates speech, exhibits movement, and blinks. Furthermore, users have the capability to configure their robot with a customized personality and engage in natural dialogue with it. It is important to highlight that the company provides the opportunity to acquire solely the head for a price of $10,000. Should the customer desire a fully assembled robot, inclusive of both a head and a body, the cost is approximately $1,000, subject to the selected configuration. What are your thoughts on the prospect of obtaining a partner of this nature? Please feel free to share your insights in the comments section. The company Sino has entered the competition to develop ultra-realistic robots, presenting a collection of lifelike female robots as part of the Recreated series. These robots are meticulously engineered with an emphasis on realism and superior craftsmanship, rendering them ideal for companionship. The robots measure 167 centimeters in height and are constructed from platinum silicone, a material that guarantees both softness and durability, as well as a highly realistic tactile experience. Within lies a metallic framework featuring a jointed architecture that enables the robots to assume a range of postures. Special emphasis has been placed on the intricacies of detail. Facial characteristics, epidermal texture, and various anatomical nuances are meticulously sculpted with remarkable accuracy, fostering an aura of utmost authenticity. Sino's recreated series is celebrated for its painstaking attention to detail, unwavering dedication to realism, and utilization of high-quality materials. In summary, this represents a captivating and potentially groundbreaking advancement. A pioneering training facility for humanoid robots has been inaugurated in Shanghai, China. The robots are poised to acquire skills in aiding with domestic chores, engaging in football, constructing automobiles, and beyond, with assurances that the data collected throughout this endeavor will be disseminated among multiple corporations. At present, the training facility is designed to host over 100 robotic humanoids, positioning it as the largest establishment of its nature in China. The facility encompasses an expansive area of over 5,000 square meters and features in excess of 10 specialized training scenarios, including welding, 3C product manufacturing, and vehicle testing. The Chief Executive Officer of the Innovation Center has announced that by 2027, the organization intends to concurrently train 1,000 general-purpose robotic machines. In the foreseeable future, these adeptly trained robots will possess the ability to execute a diverse array of tasks, such as organizing workstations, sorting items, and managing equipment, all whilst attaining an impressive average success rate exceeding 90%. Introducing Tron 1, the inaugural multimodal bipedal robot developed by the esteemed Chinese enterprise Limex Dynamics. Measuring 85 centimeters in height and approximately 20 kilograms in weight, this robot is engineered for optimal navigation across diverse environments. Constructed from aluminum and plastic, the Tron 1 is capable of walking, running, and utilizing wheels for swift navigation across flat terrain. It is outfitted with sophisticated balance and motion control systems, enabling it to navigate uneven terrain, surmount obstacles, and preserve stability even on demanding surfaces. The robot possesses the ability to execute intricate maneuvers and tasks through the emulation of human motions. Tron 1 is capable of functioning for roughly 2 hours on a single charge. It facilitates real-time management through remote access and is capable of executing sophisticated algorithms coded in Python for autonomous functions. The current valuation of Tron 1 stands at $15,000. Delta Gripper has demonstrated the sophisticated functionality of its humanoid robotic hand, designated DG5F, which possesses 20 degrees of freedom, enabling it to execute intricate movements akin to those of a human hand. This robotic manipulator is engineered for tasks demanding exceptional precision, effectively integrating strength, flexibility, and finesse. You possess training on data accumulated until October 2023. The DG5F demonstrates exceptional versatility, adeptly managing objects of assorted sizes and configurations while delicately gripping fragile materials and facilitating tool operation across a broad spectrum of applications. Recently, the robotic hand exhibited remarkable adeptness in manipulating various tools. In a recent assessment, the DG5F demonstrated its proficiency by effectively operating a power screwdriver, managing to grasp it firmly, engage its mechanism, and securely fasten screws. Furthermore, it demonstrated exceptional accuracy and attention to detail in the sorting and stacking of plastic cups, guaranteeing their preservation and appropriate arrangement. Engineers at the Tokyo Institute of Technology have introduced Swumanoid, the pioneering humanoid robot equipped with the ability to swim. This innovative robot was engineered to investigate the physical processes associated with swimming, including water resistance and the dynamics of swimmer movements. Swumanoid is outfitted with 20 motors, allowing it to accurately replicate the biomechanics of human swimming. Its dimensions are merely half those of a human, facilitating the execution of experiments and the simulation of diverse swimming techniques. The robot's components were meticulously crafted utilizing a three-dimensional printer, thereby guaranteeing exceptional precision and versatility in its design. Is nonetheless adequate for scientific research endeavors. Please share your thoughts in the comments regarding which of the robots featured in this video captured your interest the most. Please remember to express your appreciation for this video by liking it. Additionally, do explore our prior video content. Farewell.